Hello guys, this video is to show you how to operate the brush sanding machine. Firstly, make sure that compressed air supply and the power supply are both connected well. If the phase order indicator is yellow, it means the phase order was wrong. Please interchange the position of any two cables. Switch on the breakers. Choose the English version. Click Run to enter into the running page. We can start and stop every working unit here through the control keys. We can press All Start to start all the working units. And All Stop to stop all the working units. The running speed and oscillating speed of each working system are easy to adjust. Just input the digital you want and click OK. They will run as you need. During working, you can change the running and oscillating speed anytime in the same way. The height adjustment of the working unit's height and press rollers are the same. Please be noted that before you raise the press rollers, raise the working units firstly, but drop the press rollers firstly and then drop the working units. This is to avoid the heating of press rollers and the working units. Our brush sanding machine is with presets function. You can preset 50 different working datas for 50 different working pieces and select the data from the list when you need. This function can save you a lot of time from adjustment when polishing different working pieces. The machine is with vacuum suction conveyor table so that it can do brushing on small pieces and very thin working boards. You can turn on or turn off vacuum function on the touch screen. Okay, these are the basic operation of this brush sanding machine. If you have any confusion or want to know more details, please contact with us.